The Tesla numbers now just hitting the tape. Here to break it down with us is Bloomberg Tech co-host Ed Ludlow. Ed, what are you seeing?
Yeah, it's a massive beat, almost 500,000 vehicles in the quarter. Consensus was 440. This is an important moment in time because it's the bread and butter business. And remember, on November 6th, shareholders will vote on a compensation package that has a mandatory requirement for Elon Musk to deliver 20 million vehicles over a 10-year term. It is a massive beat. What I kept hearing from sources inside the company all quarter long was, hey, have you seen the advertising that we've been doing on YouTube, on Instagram? As you guys know, Elon Musk does not believe in traditional advertising. What I'm hearing happened was they experimented with paying for ads in the energy business, and they saw a direct uptick in sales. So they were like, let's do this with the vehicles as well. Also bear in mind that at the end of this quarter, at the end of September, the disappearance of the federal tax credit. And there was so much marketing material sent out by Tesla, like, remember, you have 1 week left, you have 1 day left before you lose that credit. So this is really big. And, you know, I do think that advertising piece has been a really important factor here. I know it has, based on the conversations I've been having. But remember, even in the most loyal Musk and fan base within the investor group, they have also been saying, come on, Elon, like, please do some advertising. So I find that extraordinary, and shares up 3% in pre.
It is. I mean, we saw Ford's EV sales rise 30% in the month, right? And Ford had done horribly badly with EV sales. They were like single digits. And so I think the end of the tax credits can't be put aside as a massive, massive driver for EV buyers in the quarter.
Although, Jim Farley's been speaking all week, hasn't he, in various places, saying that by the end of this year, you know, the share of vehicles in the market that are EVs could come down. They're, you know, below the 10% where they currently are. What's so interesting, Caroline participated in this conversation with Robin Denholm as well. We tried to get her to define political activity, and that seemed very clearly tied to Musk having a formal role in government. The reason I bring that up is that this data, again, in the third quarter, Tesla delivered 497,099 vehicles. Consensus was 440,000. Doesn't seem to be that Musk's ongoing activity on social media is impacting things here.